Just looking at some hands. You see some ashy hands, guys. Nobody's here yet. Yeah, go ahead and tell them that we're on live right now. Look, these are the hard-working hands of critical cards in game. I think they let you download the live after.
I've never done it, so I have no idea.
You
can do like VODs and stuff, so why not?
Oh, yeah, okay, cool.
Find out.
Because then I can just drop this on YouTube right after, like our first live. Come on, Sean Arthur. I saw you were live, bro. We're not even selling it, bro. We're just ripping for free, ripping for fun. Look at these. You could get anything, guys. I'm talking Latios, Latias. You know, that's what we're doing here. Let's start some ripping while we waiting. How many packs is this? How many did you open? I feel like you opened a lot of packs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you said there was 30, right? So you opened 11.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. First one, bro. Nobody's here? We about to rip all of the stuff. I'm on... Oh, yeah, I should have sent it to you, huh? Wonder if I could do that. Sent you a message directly. I'm on Instagram. Dan Dick, you always watching lives anyway. Come over, bro. He's sitting at work watching a live. Oh, no. He about to go home. I think they're 4:30 out this bid. Oh, I tried to do the side rip just to see what it was like. It's so strong. Oh, yeah? Oh, that's so loud. Oh. And full art. Moderator, turn your stuff down, bro. How delayed is this? Hold on. How do you have a conversation like this? So, yeah, I feel you, Mr. Mikey. Bro, question. You a fan of... I know this is Pokemon, but you like Ninja Turtles, bro? Anybody ever tell you got the same name as a Ninja Turtle? Has that ever been brought up to you ever once in your life? Hey, we got one. It's not just the regular one, though.
Nah.
Is that her?
That is her, but that's just the regular artwork. It's just the regular artwork, not full art.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here we go. Hey, Arnold. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, smooth. Is this Pokemon an apple? Hold on.
It is an apple.
And a worm? Boom. Hey, that's pretty. Love the way the gray just sparkles. Yeah, I don't know if any of y'all old enough to remember Paul Wall, but y'all should invest in grills at criticalcardsandgames.com. Invest in our future. I'll do a face reveal if you buy something off the website right now. Yeah, buddy. Paul Wall, baby. He's for the culture. I'm from Arizona. But when it comes to grills, I'm from Texas. Hey, Latios. Cool. Thanks, bro.
So right when you started putting the cards down,
Mm-hmm.
first when I heard it go down, then that's when it showed on the thing. So it's like 10 seconds.
Oh, wow. I guess that's good, though. I could potentially stop something cantankerous from happening. Oh, what am I
Oh,
doing?
by the way, that full art you pulled? 40.
Woo! Cause it's me and you and Zaboomafu. Come on, everyone, it's new. Yeah. Earthquake. Sorry, Arizona's known for its earth. Woo!
Pack's still opening on my screen. And now you're putting them down.
Yeah.
EX.
Joey. It's all right. Nobody likes Latios. It's all about us. Oh, that is us. Color. Go back. What? Which one? You trying to see this one? No, this is one set behind. This is this is technically one half of Surging Sparks. This is all Japanese though. It's very interesting. There's only 5 cards in these, so it's not a lot of cards to actually pull, but it's still nice. You get straight to the point. Ooh. I'm gonna sleeve it. How do you know my moderator isn't sleeving it right now? Well, watch me sleeve it. All right. For the squad. Oh, slow, just like that. All the way down. in a sleeve. No, you're not about to be in my live, dog. I like you, but you're not about to join this live. Ain't nobody here, bro, but you not. This is an official business live. I can't let you in this, dog. I'm already trying my best not to say something I'm not allowed to say already. I can't have you relaxing me like this. Ah, yes, EX card sleeves. Well, we got some Chili Rain sleeves if you want some sleeves. I'll throw those on the site for you today. He's not even awake right now. Well, no, he at work already. What are we talking about? Not gonna critique my rips. You don't know what it's like, the pressure. Bro, there's 2 whole people. Oh, he went to go get him. There's 2 whole people in this chat. Oh, another EX. All right, bro, I'm going to sleeve it. Nah. With the slow sleeve. Sensual. I'm sleeving it, damn it. Tell me what to do. You're not my dad. Make a popping noise. I'm not making noise. That sounds so sexual. I'm not doing that. All right, if I get one of the top 3 cards in the set, I'll do it. Oh, why sleep it? Nice try, Diddy. I don't know why that makes me think of Lilo and Stitch, the way his mouth is shaped, like Jabba. Sure, I believe you. You weren't typing so fast, it wouldn't have came out so bad. I don't even think Richard's following us, or I could send him the live. Oh, he's not. Well, I would if it was Rounder, I would have said Kirby. I don't know. It's because of that Lilo and Stitch live action's been on my mind. Is the reason I've been thinking about that. It's getting a little bit easier. I will say, going back to this one, I would not want to meet this Pokemon in a dark alley. This Pokemon looks very predatory. Very much, I'm going to get you. That Pokemon looks like one of those dudes who's like, give me a hug. Where's my hug kind of dude. I will say, I'm going to get addicted to how easy these Japanese one open. He do? Was he in the anime? People in Violet. See, this one's giving me Little and Stitch vibes too. It's David. Baby form? Like his pre-evolution, or like he got an actual multiple forms? Also, how's my breathing? Can you tell I'm fat? Without looking at my hands, can you tell I'm fat? Ooh. shit. It is really nice. Hands thing. Those ain't that bad. I could do this. We just need a random in here. Gonna say the hands thing. The sweet, sweet sounds of things being sleeved. Boom, boom. Hold on. Pin. How do you even pin a comment? Let's see. I'm a pin. If I hold it, pin comment. Got you. He got hands, bro. You the pin comment now. Tag real breaking. Who is that? Real breaking Nate? At real breaking Nate. What if you come in here and start roasting me, bro? Are you gonna defend me? I'm gonna accept your request. You start roasting me, you're gonna have to defend me. This Pokemon look like they got hands too. What's he doing? Capoeira? Oh, only 5 more packs. All gonna be God packs. 5 straight God packs, y'all. The hell? I don't know. I named him Elton John? No. This my boy, Elton John. Oh, another of these tornado dudes. Lava dude. I'm a dude. He's a dude. Hollows for everyone for shoe. Yeah, we've been on for 15 minutes and ain't nobody kicked us out yet. You know, that's not bad. When he comes out the Pokeball, he sings the theme for gold. I'm going to look that up. Damn, that's pretty. Oh, welcome, Double D. Welcome to the party, bro. We just opening some cards. I can't get to my sleeves. I failed you. Ah. All right. We'll just do that one. Double D, ever since you came in here, bro, I just ain't got it. I ain't got the juice. But you good luck. I do like that fan. I don't know what it does. I'm going to have to look it up, but... Cast form. Oh, hollow Palkia? Any white thing that has two legs and a tail, I'm going to just start calling it Palkia until somebody cancels me. Last pack. Crazy hands. Are you making fun of my hands, bro? Or are we talking about Pokemon? Because I know I'm ashy. I'm in Arizona. Leave me alone. If I put lotion on, it's going to damage the cards. Do you want lotion? He's back. Elton John's back. Oh, snap. And so is he. I ain't got magic. I got lips. I got fish lips, dog. That's what you gave me, fish lips. I got some other ones y'all didn't see that we
Last one.
Yeah, that was the last one.
Show off the ones you got there.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull out the ones that you pulled too.
Yeah.
So we got. Oh, I can't go straight down. That light doesn't look good. So we'll go. I will say these EX art is fantastic. You think you can take those gems off of any of these terrestrial Pokemon? I think that's illegal. Dang, you'll take me to the top of the leaderboards with all these hearts? Tell me this ain't like the suavest Skarmory, though.
He's standing on Volkswagen bus.
Out in the desert. Just Skarmory at Coachella watching your bus. Just... And then some of the other ones. We pulled some Chilling Rain earlier. Some 151 in English. We really got that Slow King luck. We got the V and the V Max. All we needed was the full art to complete the set. We could have been out there. Let's see what else we got today. Okay. Oh, I see it. That wasn't today. It wasn't today, but shoot. Can't go wrong here. As a wrestling fan, Pikachu Libre. Pikachu? Dang, not Pikachu. Oh, we got this. Ooh, Zapdos EX. I know, that's all the packs I got.
I already know how hot your hands feeling. The deal was 2 boxes.
Oh, I'm still alive, bro.
Do you want it?
I'm in, bro.
The deal was 2 boxes.
Your packs. I might even put lotion on my hands. What do y'all think? Brandon said, get more.
Get more. I'm feeling it too. I already know what box I want. I want this one right here.
All right, man. I'm ready. That's what I'm trying. I'm trying to get you the pools.
So it seems like we can get like 3 full arts in box.
Leave, Ron. Leave my damn hands alone. Ron over here roasting my. He's over here making fun of my ashy ass hands.
Ron's in here.
Yeah, he came in here to roast. Look.
He came in here to roast.
I didn't know. Didn't know I was on the chopping block. I didn't know we was eating. Oh.
What about Lisa's?
She's in here. Multiple Lisas. Right, you see the man hands look like powdered donuts. Yo,
Ban this guy.
yo, hold on. Oh, that's gonna have to be the pinned comment, bro. I'm not even mad at that.
Ban Whoever that is, we don't know this person.
Yeah, we don't know any of these people in this chat right now.
We need to ban that guy.
You know, you can always, hook a boy up with a manicure. Golly. I just want to remind you guys, we're here for the Pokemon today. This ain't wilding out. Oh, boy. How deep is this supposed to go in this box? All right. Look at this. Get some aloe, man. So, listen. I'll get some lotion. Hold on. All right, hold on. Dang, all these. Bro, there's just so many. There's 30 packs in here. Going down in value. Ash all over the cards. Ron, leave me alone. Yo, this is disrespectful. Yo, I'm at. Whew, I did not think I was getting roasted like this today. It's Veterans Day. Y'all ain't got to be like this. All right. Or some gloves. Listen, gloves make it hard to open packs. I ain't even going to lie to you. I've tried it. All right, I got you. Hold on. Don't fucking roast my hand. Put some lotion on and then wipe my hands off. Motherfuckers. I mean, dudes. Them dudes. See, this is why I want friends in the chat. Friends. Oh. Well, you had your tattoo lotion sitting out.
Nah, I don't know lotion right now.
All right, y'all. You're lucky then. When did I serve? I'm serving right now. There we go. Look at that. Here we go. Get that exclusive. I even take my wedding ring off. I'll be single. Didn't know I was doing hand content today.
Just a hand model.
Look, just a little bit. A dab will do you. Or whoop. Rub it in nice and slow. Watch, some stranger's gonna walk into this and just like, what am I watching? No! You see that? See how I get into the crevices? I don't think I've ever been criticized. This feels like I'm in third grade all over again. All right. There you go. Look at that. Immaculate. I'm sorry you had to walk into this, Ricky. They're making me lotion my hands for content. I'm sorry, dog. This wasn't on purpose. Now, yo, rub it off on my body so I ain't putting this on no cards. All right. Let's get this. Been too long. Let's go ahead and start off. Oh, Mike, can you look this one up?
Oh, the ace packs? They're not worth anything.
Okay, cool. So I'll just put that with the hollows or the bulk?
It's a playable card, but Japanese.
I'm sorry. you do need to finish. I'm not enough. Stop it. Look, I can't even open the pack now, guys. See what you guys have done? It's all right. The lotion just going to summon me a nice card right now. Boom. Look at that. Entei. That's all it took. Hollow Entei for my work. What we're doing in here. Got 30 packs to go through. 30 packs of love. Do, 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 do. I don't think I've ever seen that Pokemon before in my life. Dang, them cheeks full of something. I don't like that. They too smooth. This is what y'all wanted. You forced this on me. I needed that ash to help me grip better. Oh, these are Japanese. They don't. They don't really have that because like we can do it. For child, last card forward. Oh, I know what you're talking about. I caught up. I caught up. I caught up. Whoa, my gosh. You gotta look at these. Ooh, he said I look like gas station hot dogs. Hold on. I'm never inviting y'all to this again. Hold on, guys. Gas station. All right, I'm gonna start blocking y'all. This too much. Oh, let's pull up from the top. Him again? Hold on. Ooh, full art. Let's go. Love and happiness. Full art eggs. I need a sleeve induction, sir. We got some more floating around here. I think. Let me see if there's any more within reach. I'm on my last one.
If it stays true, we'll probably get 2 more.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'm happy. I know, bro. We full art out here. It's all thanks to the lotion. The motion of the ocean. Well, I'm sorry. I'm looking for sleeves. Man, I really like this one. Just give me those straight up Tony Hawk vibes right now. I ain't even lying to you. Oh, I thought those were full packs just sitting there. I'm gonna get used to this. I swear I will.
Yes, I do the TikTok lives then.
What's up?
Start doing the TikTok lives then.
Oh, true. Got to move to TikTok where it's popping.
I guess so.
All right, sorry guys. I know we about to hit it big right now. I'm giving away 1 free card to Mike today. Back to the business. We're gonna reinvest it. Ooh, a hollow.
These are all my sleeves when I put them all in these stupid Dawn cards.
True. We got to buy some bulk. Can only move to TikTok if his bits is in the back with the cake. No, nah. That's a hard pass. We're not gonna do TikTok today. We ain't built that TikTok presence at all. I've been focusing on Instagram and Facebook, and a little bit of Threads and YouTube. I know there's money and there's love on TikTok, but I'm not sure that's the route just yet. Because if y'all roasting me on here now, what are these strangers going to do to me? Ooh. I don't know. I already forgot the pop sound already. Wait. How do you enter a chance to win free cards? All right. You get top comment, I'll give you some Japanese bulk. I'll give you have used the option of any Japanese hollow I pulled during this live. Oh snap! That big old sack. I do need to learn names, but it's especially hard when they're in Japanese. Would you rather? No, we're not doing no would you rathers, man.
Wrong one.
I know.
Dang.
Ah, they got me again. You guys. These full arts tricking me. Woo.
Everybody want Latios.
Come on, aren't you guys Latios fans? Come on, guys. Let's give it up for Latios. I felt like we outraged you guys last week. Well, if you can make me laugh without bullying me, sure. If you can make me laugh without me being an expense. We're just opening for the site right now. So we're looking for Lisa, full art. Latias, full art.
Full art alone, executor.
The Alone and Executor, full art. So we're just opening up, refilling some. I know. Wait, did you just see that? Bro, that was like 10 minutes ago. I will say, all these back here make me think of Power Rangers. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Damn! Leave my nails alone! Yo, all right. We opening like this now. Cool. This is what y'all want. Dang, I still got a bit of ash there. I don't want y'all to see that. Well, you don't need all no holds bar. This ain't wrestling, dog. I'm wrestling with my career right here. Not the sausage openings. Come on. Hold on. Excuse me. Golly, come back a professional here. Yes, we're here for Pokemon. Japanese Pokemon Paradise Dragona. Dang, you guys made me forget the whole name of the spot. So, I'm gonna make some polos. Y'all gonna buy some? Some hoodies? Buy some critical cards and hoodies? Everybody deserves a good hoodie. Dragona, that new. You ain't wrong. Also, I know one of y'all know, but we're doing 5% off on criticalcardsandgames.com, criticalcng.com, man. I'm just saying. We're updating all day. Y'all, yeah, come on. Cold Veteran 1776, y'all. Come, Critical CNG. We got ungraded cards up there. We've been adding stuff. We got some 151 that we're going to be adding up. We got some English 151 packs. We got about 20 of those. We haven't put up, but we can put up immediately if you tell me you want them. If I do that, it's going to be Mike. I'm not hiring nobody else. Bullied out of hand content. Yo, I don't want to. Yo, I got thick skin. Y'all ain't going to run me out of here. Y'all not getting me out of here. It's me all day. 1,000 packs a day, 5 days a week. Can't scare me. Look at that. You is gonna see a manicure next time I'm live, though. Y'all ain't listen. You gonna see some immaculate hands. No, you can tell you have thick skin. Well, sorry for being. Golly. Oh, I am not bringing shame to the hand model community. I'm not a hand model. I'm a business owner. It's different. I will do anything for my business to survive, like be subjected to just bullying. This is what I get. But it's okay. It's all right. I'm going to post this whole thing to YouTube when we're done, and they can enjoy this while doing work. It's going to be okay. Everything's going to be fine. Oh, did y'all see that? I saw it, and I'm ready. Dang, an actual adult in Pokemon? Look at that. Look how far we've come. They're putting adults on Pokemon cards that it's not Giovanni or Professor Oak. I'm proud. Hollow. How am I supposed to know what this is? You know, Mike, you could always jump in here and get roasted yourself anytime, brother. But you're gonna be the hand guy because they're gonna bully me. They're gonna bully my hands. They need the tats, bro. They're like, dang, look, he faded. I'll change it up. Why, hello there. I am Michael Charlan. We're giving out government names here. I'm gonna bleep that, make them very concerned. Ooh-wee. Who knew snowmen could grow up? That was Dialga? I've been calling everything else Dialga. Man's in the Mickey Mouse Club just chugging sweet tea. I'll have you know, I haven't had a single sweet tea today. Yeah, look at that. There's no sweet tea today. I've had Sonic slush and breakfast pizza. What we're doing. I will say I ain't opened this many packs in a day since we did that One Piece day. This pile is looking rapturous. I'm not sleeving no hollows. You buy me some sleeves. I did have that. It tasted like straight chocolate cake. It was awful. And then they had the nerve on the side to throw some on the side. Yeah. And it wasn't even red. Not that I could see red, but it was chocolate. It was just straight brown. They didn't even try. It was almost as rich as that cupcake from yesterday. I mean, the brownie. I'm not sleeving no hollow. Colorblind opening Pokemon boxes. Shut. I can see some of these. This is blue right here in that area. That is blue. Mm-hmm. Monkey. Oh no, I missed. Hang on. Yeah, 3. Oh, 2 full arts and an EX. Never mind. Listen, I don't need green. No, I didn't eat a brownie willingly. Raw. Well, I don't know if hold on. That's his government name on here. R. Berenson. That man, he guilted me. He's like, yo, my girl made brownies. And I was like, I don't want any. They're chocolate. She's like, she made them so you could have some. I didn't want any. He forced me. Then he tried to force me to have a second one. He's a villain. He even made sure it was black and white so I could see it. That was consideration. Show him considerate. Oh. Hey, been on live almost 45 minutes. Look at us. We're out here breaking records. Gonna break records when we get this last full art, y'all. I'm ready. What are some other key phrases I need to learn besides last pack magic and I'm ready and let's go? What else are they saying in these streams? Oh, I got tricked again. Good old EX coming in to give me hype. Oops, upside down. When you pop, that's great. I'm not. What's up? I give you the slow. Make something up. I'm gonna hit y'all with the bee whoop. I'm gonna just steal catchphrases until I find something that works. Listen here, America. It's pristine pack. Rip. Make something up. I'm just a kid and my knife is a knife. Never mind. Ho! Yo, tell Albert I got a Japanese one of these. Tell him to come through. Tell Albert I will sell it to him for full price. Mine is 5% if he buys it today. Don't forget, our code is Veteran1776, y'all. That was terrible. I think I got confused. Sorry, those are just my colors making that shake. Wait a minute. Get it how you live it. 10 toes down, and we rip into these cards. All right. Ricky, hear me out. You're going to want this next card. I already know it. No matter what it is, I'm going to set it aside for you to... This is it. Okay. I'm setting him aside. I got 15 of him. I'm going to sit to the side for you. This is 15 of those, whenever you want them, bro. Okay. I was doing a little too much. What? I ain't never seen this in my life. You don't want no cousins, bro? Give it to him as a gift. Oh, that's golly. What does this look like to y'all? The world. Since it's both, does it still count as full art?
I think so, yeah.
Pop. Here we go. 5 packs left. What up, sister? Leftover pizza or nachos? Oh, man. Nachos. I'm still in a nacho. Well, actually, I got leftover pizza from this morning, breakfast pizza. So, leftover breakfast pizza. Sister, buy my Pokemon cards. We're on sale today. There's something you want. I know it. Buy something for Sakai. His birthday's coming up. I know. She knows I need the views. Please. I'm trying to build a community. All right. I believe in a thing called hit rips. Is this a potion? You know, to emotionally recover from all this bullying, I'm going to eat some pizza after this. So I just want you guys to know that I'm going to be all right. On my mama. On my hood. My hands look fly. My hands look good. We're not going to tear it down. We're good noodles. Oh, Ricky, what's this thing? It starts with a V. Oh, this one's actually Flygon? Bygone. There's two more. I'm going to call this one Ricky, and I'm going to call this one Brandon. Let's see which one of you guys win. Let me go Ricky first. All right, here we go. Woo-choo! All right, Ricky, you got the hollow. Oh, well, you're like 10 seconds behind, so I couldn't let you actually pick. So let's see what you should have got then. Ooh. Dang, Ricky, you were right. You should have got the right one, bro. My bad. That was my fault. I should have picked you for right. There you go. I'll give you a nice. It is nice. I do like it. It's a lit mushroom in the middle of the dark. That's what my heart looks like.
His creepy ass fingers.
Oh, those are long. You don't fit nice.
Salad fingers.
Nice try. With the pop. All right, that's all of them. Now let's go through what we got. I think for this one, we got this one. Welcome, sister. Well, I'm glad to have you. This one. This one. So we got a full art. Oh, that's a terrible way to do it. So we'll go. Got an EX. Pull a Jigglypuff and you got a deal. Jigglypuff. Man, I don't even think there's a Jigglypuff in this set. Full art EX. Salad fingers is officially what I'm calling that one. EX. Full art. EX. Welcome to. Come on. Come on. All right, that's what I got from this box. If you want to purchase any of those, hit me up after the chat, guys. I'd appreciate it. Welcome to Dragona. Why is the egg laying on the towel? Egg, I don't try to wonder. QT sausages and games. Oh, snap. Why would you want to relax? They're over here on a basketball court just sitting there. Why wouldn't you want to be on a towel? It's probably dirty as heck over there. You should see the Slow King from this set. No, it was from Chilling Reign. The Slow King. The biggest one is just him chilling on the beach in the forest or something like that. Just vibing. Don't worry, guys. Salad Fingers is here for all of your needs. All right, so the other guy's Toe Fingers and I'm Sausage. What up? Welcome to Hot Dog Water Fingers. It's me. I ain't ripping no more cards. Just a dab will do, you guys. Give you some of this nice hand content for my goodbye. For y'all who didn't get to see it earlier. He's just yoked. I am not. I don't think that's what they call morbid. Ah, no. It's a holiday. There's no corn for anybody. No corn today. All right, y'all. Me and these immaculate grippers. And there I was, barbecue sauce in my hands. Oh, no, thank you. I came in at the end of it, so that true. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to do this more semi-regularly. This was fun. I appreciate all you guys. I'll let y'all know when it's uploaded on YouTube if you want to watch it again and not see just hand content. You got to pay for that. All right, how you actually exit out of here? I'm learning stuff today. Question mark? No questions yet. You guys can send me questions? Critical hands in games? No. Oh, I could have actually added you as a moderator. Yeah, I could have just. I didn't know there was a thing. Oh, I could turn off commenting. I'm gonna turn off commenting on y'all next time. Y'all start coming from me, I'll just turn it off immediately. Yeah. No questions, no none of this. But for real, y'all, appreciate it. This is my very first live. It was yo, shut up. I'm the youngest person in this chat right now. Legitimately. What do you mean? Boo this man. Man, y'all shut up. Nah, but for real though, thank y'all. Bye. Don't silence us. We will come at you. Man, Bree, watch this whole video. That's all they've been doing. I'm not afraid of y'all. Make us all fudge that. I am not making all of y'all mods. That would be terrifying. I am scurry. This is a business account. We are business oriented here. We're here to make money any way we can. Any way we can. Sadate. You can sign your pity on the RunnyCon.